Hello food maniacs, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and you all are safe and in your house in this quarantine period. And please don't get like shocked after seeing this haircut. I had to do this because of the extreme summer, and so I'm like really sorry for that. And I'm going to show you a very unique recipe of the Bengali cuisine today that is called Lal Shak Diye Chingri Mach. I'm going to show you all the ingredients and as always I'm going to tell a little history and a little about the dish, and then I'm going to show you the entire preparation, how it is done. As the dish is in its final stage, I'm going to give you a little gist about the dish. First, what is lal? Lal means red, both in Hindi and Bengali, and shak, it means saag. And in Hindi, saag is like a leafy vegetable as like spinach. And even lal shak is also called Chinese spinach, and it is widely used in the South Asian cuisine, especially in soups and different sort of noodles. If you travel to China and Taiwan and all, you'll find it there. So as we Bengalis take a lot of pride in eating all our different sort of dishes, like we want everything to be a little royal and grandeur. So like someone came up with a unique idea of mixing both a leafy vegetable and shrimps together. And as you know, like Bengalis love fish a lot, so they thought why not mix both a leafy vegetable and shrimp and like make a unique dish out of it. So then the inception of this dish came into existence, that is called Lal Shak Chingri Mach. Chingri Mach in English means shrimp, small shrimps. So this is how the dish came into existence. And if you eat Lal Shak also, it has a high amount of vitamin A, B and C, and it's very helpful to decrease cholesterol levels. Also, Bengal has two types of communities. One is called Ghoti and one is called Bangal. Bangal were basically those people who came in from Bangladesh during the Indo-Bangladesh war and they came and settled here. And Ghotis were the people who were originally from West Bengal or Kolkata. And this dish has an influence in both of the Bangal and the Ghoti community. And how the dish changes from one community to the other is that Ghoti, the people who are Ghotis we call, they use a little bit of garlic and ginger into this dish, while the Bangals don't use that. But as of now, when all the community has come together, there's nothing like that the Ghotis will only eat with ginger and garlic and the Bangals won't. So it's basically as per your taste buds and as per your preference how you want the dish to be. And sorry, I forgot to tell you guys one more thing. The scientific name of lal shak is amaranth, and you guys should definitely have this dish with boiled rice and kashundi. So now let me tell you a little bit about kashundi also. Kashundi is made with fermented mustard paste, a little bit of spices and mustard oil. And like if you come to West Bengal or in Kolkata and if you eat any fish fry or fish finger, or if you go and eat any bhaji, you'll always see the shop is serving a little bit of kashundi with that. And kashundi is a very widely accepted sauce all over West Bengal. And if you go to parts of Assam, parts of Bihar, parts of Orissa, you'll find kashundi is also used there. So this is all about the dish. Now, back guys with the dish. And as I said, this dish should be eaten with boiled rice. So here's the boiled rice, the shak, and this is kashundi. I have already explained what is kashundi, so I'll show you how to first eat this. Now I'm going to take the first bite with a little bit of kashundi, obviously, and a little bit of shrimp also. Pure heaven, guys, pure heaven. You should definitely try this at home, and like it's so easy to make and it's so appetizing. You can eat the entire bowl of rice with this. You don't need anything else, and yeah, obviously you'll need a little bit of kashundi or mustard, not Dijon mustard. Don't go to France for this. Our mustard, that is called kashundi, and you'll definitely love this dish. So this was all about today's video. If you guys have liked the video, go and hit and smash that like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go and hit that subscribe button and that little bell icon. You'll be notified about all the coming videos in the future, and share it on different social media platforms. I would love to hear your comments about this dish on the comment section below. Mangato signing off. Eat all you can while you can, and please stay safe, stay in your house until the quarantine period ends.